Hello everybody and welcome back to another Vada's Venture. So today we're just going to be continuing last week's video, but instead of just pretty much talking the whole time, we're actually going to be doing stuff, putting the grill together. Thank y'all for joining us this week, and let's get to it.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down.
Alright, so that is how that installs to that. So now I'm going to put this side plate back in and put its handle in. Before I do that, and before I break the grill, I missed a step. So that hole there, and there's one on the other side, and that hole there are going to help hold this thing separated, because I've got spacers right here. So there's going to help these, and then two nuts hold this so it doesn't like flop, just like that. Alright, so I got ahead of myself. I had to loosen those other bolts so that this thing can move, so that I can align these bolts. There we go. Nut on. And the other side. So now I'm gonna slowly tighten these back down so that everything aligns.
Until you break down.
Alright, so now that I've done everything properly, fingers crossed, I'm going to put this handle on. So it says all we need is some lock washers and some nuts. So pop one of those open. One, two. Try and keep those from falling out. One, two. And just because I want to make sure I do it right, so I don't void the warranty. So there she is. That can is a grease catch. This grill comes with a little wire hook, and a just regular vegetable can fits perfectly in there, so that's grease catch. I don't think anything's ever fallen in there, but it's there. So about the grill cover, when I took it off, it fit just this side. So I'm going to show you how I can get it to fit all of it. And there she is. So hopefully next time I take it off, I'll be using it and I'll be able to show a video about that. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. We'll see you all next time. Have a blessed day.